Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. I love doing paint by numbers, and I would not consider myself an artist by any means, but I do love doing painting and things like that. So this 11-piece set from Nicpro has been so awesome for all of my arts and crafts. This set comes with 11 different sized brushes, and they are so well packaged. I love the case that they come in. They have these really great Velcro backs that you can stand up so that you can get to all of your paintbrushes really easily. The bristles on these are so perfect. They are not too stiff, but they do keep their point really well, which is absolutely fantastic for doing that really detailed, fine line work in paintings. And I love the way the handles are made on these. They're super ergonomic and really easy to hold and feel so comfortable in the hand. They are really easy to clean and keep nice. And I just really appreciate the design of this entire set. I think they are super high quality, and I do not consider myself a professional by any means, but I think they're absolutely amazing. So I really, really love this set of paintbrushes from Nicpro. I think that no matter whether you are a professional painter or an amateur or someone who just likes doing paint by numbers like me, you're going to really love this set of brushes and you should definitely get it. But that's just my point of view.